Bentayga Speed in ice over beluga and linen interior. The Bentayga Speed offers a commanding new aesthetic, enhanced by exclusive speed detail, hints at the exhilarating potential of the W12 engine within, and the impressive driving experience that it offers. From its stunningly sculpted exterior to the handcrafted detailing of its cabin, this is a luxury SUV that doesn't just stand out from the crowd, it leads it. This Bentayga Speed is equipped with the following factory options: extended range color, ice. Black specification with black speed wheels. Name for Bentley Premium Sound System. Contrast stitching. 5-seat comfort specification. Mood lighting. Deep pile overmats. And space-saving spare wheel. Please contact sales at Bentley Denver for more information about this gorgeous Bentayga today.